Hey guys, this is Sam, and today we're going to be checking out a brand new iOS 8 jailbreak tweak called Popular. What Popular does is replaces the contacts in the app switcher with real apps. For example, instead of it just showing contacts that you normally talk to, Popular shows you either most used apps or favorite apps that you can set in the preference panel for Popular. So if we head over to Popular's preference panel, first let's take a look at the settings that we can configure for most used applications. Under there, we can change the maximum icon count. So for example, if I want more than 10 apps, I'll set 30 for example. And now when I go into the app switcher, I've got tons and tons of apps in there instead of just 10. Now of course, for me that's a little bit much, so I'm going to keep it right on 10. Other than that, you can actually see statistics for what apps you legitimately use the most on your device. You can see that I use Tweetbot like crazy, and I've been in it for an hour and 18 seconds since I've had Popular installed. WordPress, I also typed a post in the other day for school, so that's 29 minutes. And you can see down the list, it actually shows you where the Popular tweak is getting this data from in order to show you what apps you use the most. Recommend what apps you're probably going to want to launch next after you're done browsing through your app switcher. Now next is a feature called Favorites that's actually probably my favorite function of Popular. Now Favorites allows you to add any of the applications stored on your iOS device to go in the front or independently of the most used applications view. So if I go ahead and select 3 applications, let's choose App Store, Calculator, and Calendar just because they're at the top of my list. Of course, you can add user applications down below, but I'm just going to add 3 system for the purpose of this video. And once I've enabled those and head right back to my app switcher, you can see that App Store, Calculator, and Calendar, my favorites, do in fact show up in front of my most used. So if I want to launch Calculator right now, I just can tap on it, and without even the app being running already, it launches up just like that. Down below under the general section for Popular, you can see that we have 2 things to either enable or disable. 1 is hide section labels and 2 is hide icon labels. So when I go into the app switcher, you can see that the section labels would be like favorites and most used apps, and icon labels would of course be things like App Store, Calculator, Tweetbot, so on and so forth. So when I hide either one of those or both, when I head back to my app switcher, you can see that both the section labels and icon labels are hid, as you can see, and in my opinion this gives Popular a much cleaner look. Although I have to say I actually kind of like these section labels enabled, I'm just not a big fan of icon labels in general. In fact, I use Springtomize to hide my icon labels in the first place on my home screen, so having the ability to do this with Popular is super convenient. If you've got OXO 3 installed, just enable the option to move contacts to the notification center, and you can see that Popular will in fact work flawlessly in your notification center as well. So if you're an OXO 3 user like me, and you want to get recently used applications in your notification center, combining OXO 3 and Popular is a really cool idea. If you're interested in downloading Popular, you can download it right now on the BigBoss repo for only 99 cents. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, iUpdateOS, for more cool jailbreak tweaks and themes similar to this. This has been Sam with iUpdateOS. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.